In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Kittl to emulate this minimalist streetwear design trend. These designs are so simple to make in Kittl. So for this first design, I'm going to hit T and copy some text that I already decided on right here, and then make this so where I can work with it, and then change the font to Techo and size this up and get it all centered. This is my title element. For my second line of text, I'm going to hold Option, drag this down and paste this in, and then I'm going to change the font to Luxurious Script. So I'm going to duplicate this line of text with Option key and drag. I'm going to size this down somewhere around 70 and change my font. Now I'm going to paste in my text. I'm changing this to Roboto bold and then changing the line spacing. The only thing I have to do is adjust my text block and size this down. Lastly, I'm going to select everything and group this, size this up, and center my design. Okay, first design is done. Let's move on to the second. So for this design, same principle. I already have my text. I already know what I want it to say, so I can copy and paste that in. And really the only thing I'm adjusting here is sizing, and I'm going to use my alignment tools to save some time. I need to change this to Milk Store 01, I believe, and make sure that that is not all caps. I'm going to adjust this, size this up, that right here. The last thing I'm going to do is add a star, and I also want this to be white. Size this down, Option drag to duplicate. I think I want this title element to be the black font weight as well. There you go. And the second one is done. Let's move on to the third. So for this third design, I really like Roboto, so the only thing I need to do is get rid of this. My headline is going to be culture, and then I have my text ready to paste in. I'm going to make this left justified and 3 lines to match up with my title element that I can left justify as well. Make that quite a bit bigger and add this element that I like as well. Change this to white, which is in my document colors, and size it down just slightly. Group this, and there we go. And design number 3 is done. 3 designs in under 2 minutes. I'll be publishing these designs for you to use on Kittl. You can find them in the description below. And if you don't have Kittl yet, you need to get on board. Sign up to try it for free using the link down in the description, or just click on one of my templates to start using it. If you've been wondering how I've been wearing these shirts, you can just use Kittl Print and have them shipped directly to your door. It's that easy. If this video was helpful and you'd like to support everyone here at Kittl, give us a quick like. Hit that subscribe button and let us know in the comments what else you want to see on the channel. See you in the next one. Peace.